Yo, man, it's YB.Gene here. Add me on Snapchat, Gene.you. Follow me on Instagram at YB.Gene, man.
Hey guys, oh my god, it's me and Tasha. I'm on Snap, Tasha_Amara, alright?
Roll the intro.
I am a menace. Keep me a ratchet like tennis. I'm with this shit like I'm Dennis. I started this shit, I'm a business. Niggas be hating, trying to blemish my image. Who want the smoke? 2 to 3 count with the scope. Extended clip long as a rope. We wipe his nose, just like he had him a cold. I knew that boy was a hoe.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Vante, aka Road Runner Vante, aka Vante 2 times in this bit. But anyway, man, as y'all can see from the title, man, today we doing another monkey video. This monkey video gonna be real different, man. Y'all know that Valentine's Day coming up. Actually, today is the 13th, and you know February 14th is Valentine's Day. So we gonna do a little Valentine's Day special for y'all on Monkey, man. So today, man, we gonna be asking females on Monkey, will you be my Valentine's? Now, I want to see their reaction to when I ask them this question, man. I hope that they give me a good reaction. But anyway, man, I'm talking too much. Let's get right into this video, man. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so we finally got the camera set up and all that stuff. We got a good lighting spot and all this, bro. We finna go crazy on this little monkey out. Let me start the screen record, you feel me? And I'm gonna put the screen record right here on the screen or somewhere for y'all, so y'all can see. I'm not gonna cover my face or nothing like that. You ready, man? We finna get into it. Let's. Yo.
Oh, you look good.
Yo, ad time. How old you is?
I turned 16 in April. I might fall right up.
So you 15.
Yeah.
That's fine, I'm 17. But look, I got a question for you.
What's up?
What you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
It is a YouTube channel. No, YouTube video.
What you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10?
You look good. You seem cool, so I'll give you 10.
For real? You seem cool too, so I give you a little 10 too. I got one more question for you though.
Thanks. What's up?
So I know it's not Valentine's Day, but will you be my Valentine?
Oh. He said, I know it's not Valentine's Day, but will you be my Valentine? Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Add me. I'm gonna send you some flowers.
Alright, bet. I would.
Did I fucking lie? What the fuck I look like sending? What the fuck? Hey, I'm funny.
Hi. Where are you from? Not pretty.
Yo, monkey, don't start the BS, dog. Don't start the BS, bro. Do not start the BS. Because before I started this video, bro, I was getting good females. Do not start the BS, y'all. Don't start it. I ain't got time for it. Yo. What's up with you?
You cute.
Appreciate it. Hey, add time real quick. Wait, I need you to do me a favor.
What?
Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
You like a 9?
A 9? That's valid.
Yeah.
Hey, I got a question for you, though.
What's up?
I know it's not Valentine's Day yet, but will you be my Valentine?
Hell yeah, you fun.
Alright, add me as a friend. I'm gonna send you some flowers.
Now you better hit me up.
Gotcha, bitch.
What the fuck? Hey, if you watching this video, I ain't doing shit. You got me fucked up. Rose. Why skip me, Rose?
Why?
Why?
No.
What's up with you?
What's poppin'?
What's good?
Where you from?
I'm from Florida. Where you from?
I'm from New York.
I need you to do me a
You
favor.
got a question?
I need you to do me a favor.
What? I'm on your YouTube.
Yeah. Rate me on the
Yeah.
rate me on the scale of 1 to 10.
Put the emoji on my face. Alright, come on, let's go.
Rate me on the scale of 1 to 10.
1 to 10. Okay,
First of all, you're a 10.
you're 10. You're 10, no cap.
Alright, valid. I got one more question for you though.
But
I know it's not Valentine's Day yet, but will you be my Valentine?
he don't want you. He want me. You want me to be your time? Yeah.
Like I said, bro, Monkey, y'all better, man, listen. Y'all better pay me, dog. This is my second video on this app, bro. Y'all better pay me. What's up?
Hello.
What's up with you? Add time. Where you from?
South Carolina.
Damn. I fuck with you, huh? I fuck with you, but like,
Thank you. I did it myself.
it's tough. I'm fucking with it. I need to ask you to do me a favor. I need you to do me a favor.
What is that?
Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
Okay. You got the dimples. You got a nice smile.
Thank you.
I'm gonna give you a 9.5.
9.5. Appreciate it. You'll cool down too.
Thank you.
And I got one more question for you though.
Uh-huh.
I know it's not Valentine's Day yet, but will you be my Valentine?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Add me as a friend. I'm gonna send you flowers.
Alright.
I got you. Got your ass.
Oh, you are fine as a bitch. Sorry for saying that, but shit, I gotta be honest.
Thank you. Add time for me.
Okay. I bet you got a lot of girls that's our friends on here because you fine, because you know.
Nah.
They must snatch you up.
Females think I'm ugly as shit, bro.
No, you not. You got a nice jawline, nice face structure, nice teeth. Was you gonna say something?
Yeah, I need you to do me a favor.
Okay, sure.
Rate me on a scale of 10, 1 to 10.
Well, I already told you you're fine, so of course you broke the scale. Add time.
Alright, I need to ask you one more question.
Go ahead.
I know it's not Valentine's Day yet, but will you be my Valentine?
Oh, that's so smart. But you know, it's tomorrow. But you know, yeah, sure, of course.
Alright, valid. Add me as a friend. I'm gonna send you some flowers.
You don't have to send me nothing, boo. Just be there for me.
Alright, bet.
You feel me? Support my.
Got your ass.
Hello?
Yo,
So I got a question.
I got a question too, but add time.
Okay. What's your question?
Nah, you go ahead, go ask first.
Okay. I was going to ask you to rate my singing on a scale of 1 to 10.
You're a senior? We don't got enough time for that.
You don't got time for that? Okay, ask me your question then.
Alright, I need you like rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
Your facial features?
Yeah.
Okay, a 9.5.
9.5. Alright, valid. I got one more question though. Alright, I know it's not Valentine's Day yet, but will you be my Valentine?
Are you serious?
I asked you the question, right?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, sure.
Alright, valid. Add me as a friend. I'm gonna send you some flowers.
Okay.
I'm gonna text you. I'm gonna ask for your address. I'm gonna send you some flowers.
Okay.
Bet. The fuck? Get the fuck out of here. Fuck, I look like Paris. Alright. This the last one, y'all. Yo.
Hey.
What's up with you? Show your full face. Like, why you showing half of your face? You showing half of your face and stuff? Like, what the? Hey, add time. I need you to do me a favor.
What was that?
I need you to rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
You a 9.
Huh?
A 9.
A 9. That's valid. I got one more question for you. I know it's not Valentine's Day yet, but will you be my Valentine? That's fine. I can get to know you. Yes or no?
It's a yes. Okay.
Alright, valid. Add me as a friend. I'm gonna ask for your address. Just send me your address. I'm gonna send you some flowers.
Okay.
Dead. Got you. Fuck out of here. Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, cause shit, I don't even know if I enjoyed it, bro. This video was a long process, cause at one point we was getting fucking fat bitches, and you feel me? I don't discriminate, but still, at another point we was getting niggas. Another point after that we was getting ugly bitches. No, I had to get straight good content for y'all, man. I had to get straight good content for y'all. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all drop a like and drop a sub. And comment down below what should I do next. I got another video coming for y'all. I got a public interview coming for y'all. I got a Q&A coming for y'all. I got up to like 5 videos coming for y'all. But make sure y'all like this video, man. I want y'all to spam the like button on this video, man. It's been your boy Vante. Oh yeah.